Market researchers use survey software as a powerful method for gathering data. By providing online, on paper, by phone, and mobile surveys, these kinds of tools are more than a necessity for a successful business to scale. And we will present to you a tool that can help you collect the desired customer data for your business. In today's video, we will show you an excellent survey platform called QuestionPro, a web-based, simple-to-use application that allows users to create and distribute surveys. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your company. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. The platform is a wizard for writing survey questions, an email or website distribution mechanism, and tools for evaluating and viewing your survey results. You can simply create your surveys and send them to a list of possible responders through email or put the survey URL link anywhere you like. All responses will be collected and recorded by QuestionPro, making the results immediately accessible. In our QuestionPro review, let's see some important features of this platform. First, you can add various question kinds, logic, and personalized branding. The only limitations are those imposed by your imagination. QuestionPro reports simplified analysis. The platform supports everything that a modern enterprise requires. From increased security to time-saving integrations to advanced collaboration, the tool does it all. Additionally, QuestionPro survey software has all the tools required to collect information from your target audience. Clients can easily buy on Facebook Marketplace, exposing your products to millions of new prospective customers. You will be featured on Google Shopping. The one-click connectivity makes it simple to transfer your product data, harnessing this popular purchasing channel without sacrificing efficiency. QuestionPro's robust research toolset gives you everything you need to conduct research using advanced question kinds and custom logic options. You can also co-create with online communities, collect qualitative and quantitative data for ongoing discovery, and perform market research with over 22 million mobile-ready respondents. You will use survey data to assess competition intelligence, purchase behavior, and pricing sensitivity. Then, export quality data to external analysis tools like SPSS and our software and combine your study with external business systems. Plus, collect market research responses compliant with many local and federal requirements. Among these are GDPR, Section 508, HIPAA, and CCPA. This is helpful to analyze how market dynamics affect your brand and understand buying intent, perceived value, and optimal pricing models. Additionally, hit the pulse of your online community by collecting data, reporting, analyzing and understanding your target market and client needs, building relationships, uncovering business drivers, and streamlining sales processes. Did you see how you can use QuestionPro to create great surveys and collect all the information you need for your business? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy QuestionPro services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see what other features this great platform has. With the Customer Experience tool, you can develop an excellent customer experience with employees and frontline managers. Using QuestionPro CX software's ticketing system closes the feedback loop. This ticketing system can reduce churn and turn critics into promoters. Exclusive to QuestionPro CX, the NPS Plus survey question empowers your customers. NPS Plus is a mix of root cause and feedback questions. This will show you what works for your promoters and what needs immediate attention. In addition, you can make your survey easy to read, understand, and react to on mobile devices to ensure a greater reach and timely response. The CX dashboard has 3 useful features. You can share data across the enterprise and with individuals for collaboration using simple dashboarding solutions. You can also use the NPS Plus survey reporting widget to measure NPS, analyze churn risk, and report on customer innovation ideas. Then, choose from various chart kinds and label adjustments to refine the results. Employee engagement surveys will help you establish a better culture in business. You can use established methods or create your culture surveys to track employee experience from hire to exit. The role-based data portal also allows you to identify trends and gaps while controlling corporate culture immediately. Additionally, your business strategy will be built on the workforce's strengths while addressing weaknesses. You can properly communicate and engage with people at scale to create an empathic organization using this platform. In open-ended inquiries, Watson AI's sentiment analysis highlights essential themes, enabling organizations to take actions that will have the most significant impact. Moreover, continuous employee input via intuitive dashboards empowers all stakeholders to act and positively impact the company. With QuestionPro's workforce, leaders across the organization have the power to define both the broader culture and employee engagement. So even if your company already has a 360-degree assessment that you want to use, QuestionPro can help you find the best way to use it. Create amazing surveys using QuestionPro by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.